Running ads without AI today is like diagnosing a car without a scam tool. Use AI driven ad campaigns to target people actively searching for auto repair services in your service area. Start with high intent keywords tied to profitable services like brakes, diagnostics, suspension, engine repair, and fleet maintenance. AI tools help optimize bids, audiences, ad copy, and budget allocation based on performance. You can feed in conversion data such as phone calls, form submissions, and booked appointments so the system learns what actually drives revenue. For auto repair shops, this is especially valuable because some services have a higher lifetime value than others. AI helps you spend more on ads that attract customers likely to return for future work. Pair your campaigns with dedicated landing pages and strong offers like free inspections or same-day diagnostics. When managed well, AI-optimized ads can reduce wasted spend and produce more qualified leads. Even a modest increase in booked high-ticket repairs can make the campaign highly profitable. Audit your current ad spend and shift your budget toward AI-optimized campaigns focused on your most profitable services.